Give It Your Way here, back with another video. So today's video is going to be a quick lay down of this curly wig that I received from Hairspells. I purchased this hair myself. I've had it since February and I've been wearing it off and on. So this is the hair. It is 16 inches. The hair is damp, so yeah, let me just do a 360 for you guys. Give me face. So yes, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and my Twitter so you can see this hair up close, especially on my Instagram story. That's where the magic happens. So make sure to follow me on Instagram so you can get all the details on this wig. It is a lace front, you guys. I know, what is that? I know it looks like it's coming out of my scalp, but I'm gonna put y'all on. So make sure you watch this video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I am sorry for my allergies. Let's get right into this video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.